Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to turn notification on or off. So let's start. First, open your Slack application and click on the workspace name in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Preferences. In the Preferences window, click the Notifications tab. In this window, you can see different options to edit your notifications settings. Here, if you want to turn off your notification in all messages, you can choose this Nothing option. If you want to turn on your notification, you can choose whether you want to be notified about all of the new messages or only about direct messages, mentions, and keywords. You can also choose whether you want to be notified when a hurdle starts or there is a reply on the thread that you are following. After that, scroll down and you will see many other options that you can enable or disable depending on your likings about your notification settings, such as making notification schedules and editing your notification sound and appearance. Once you are done, close the settings and the changes will apply automatically. Take note that these instructions are for Slack on browser only. The exact steps may vary slightly depending on the version of Slack and your operating system. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to turn notifications on or off, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video.